Hello, I'm Dr. Kathleen Berry, the proud owner of Pattern Making Academy. Over the past several decades, I have embarked on an exciting and transformative journey as an author, researcher, consultant, pattern engineer, anthropometrist, scientist, and garment enthusiast. Driven by a deep passion and relentless curiosity, I have devoted my career to tackling one of the fashion industry's significant challenges, garment fit. Now, whether you are an experienced designer, a pattern engineer, or an enthusiastic beginner, these sessions are packed with actionable insights and techniques to elevate you to the next level. The sessions also explore the evolution of fit from the past, present, and into the future, uncovering the complexities that shape the fundamental aspects of fashion. I'll keep this brief as I value your time, but if you'd like to learn more about my expertise and background, I invite you to visit my website at patternmakingacademy.com. There are 9 separate units in Unlocking the Secrets of Garment Fit. Each unit is presented separately under its own title. Here is the table of content for Unit 7. These topics will be covered in this presentation. Avatar generation is an emerging digital technology entrenched in all facets of society. The digital world is an all-embracing concept that includes numerous emerging and evolving technology that offers many benefits to the fashion industry, from product development to virtual fit, marketing, fashion runways, and much more. Technology and avatars are playing a significant role in the fashion industry. An overview of the following topics will be discussed briefly in this presentation, and these include computer-aided design, 3D body scanning, virtual try-on, mass customization, eFit, virtual avatars, augmented realities, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. I was excited when I first came across this concept. Using a mobile scanner that could replace the manual process of measuring the human body with a tape measure and obtain accurate measurements sounds like a heaven-sent gift and the answer to one's dreams. My whole career has involved exploring pattern making systems which incorporate accurate measurements to obtain well-fitting female garments. For me, this was going to be a groundbreaking development. Getting accurate measurements of a female body to use with a well-tested pattern engineering system without using a tape measure, wow, I was excited. My curiosity got the better of me. I trialled a mobile app and found the process easy to follow, and the resulting avatars were impressive. On completion of the trial, I found that some of the circumference measurements between the scanned and my manual measurements varied significantly. I was disappointed as I wanted to move forward and use the new technology. I have explored innovative approaches for decades, balancing both the promise of technology and the art of achieving better fitting garments. I found that by using scanned data with my pattern engineering system, the result would be flawed and would not produce well-fitting master blocks. Over decades of research and experiments, I firmly believe that measurements must be accurate prior to sampling, as valuable time and resources are lost, and the resulting ill-fitting garments may well end up in landfill. I was sad that the scanned data, particularly the circumferences, differed substantially from my manual measurements, and that I would have to return to the well-trusted tape measure. After many years of taking measurements, I was looking forward to moving on and embracing the new technology. The results were not a surprise, but more of a disappointment. A consolation, however, was that other researchers also found measurements from scan data were not always accurate or suitable for pattern engineering. 3D body scanning is a fascinating technology, but it is not without its challenges. Here are a few identified issues: scan accuracy and resolution, complex data processing, movement and sensitivity, surface interference, device calibration, file size and storage. Measurement accuracy is crucial to achieving well-fitting garments. Using a hybrid approach by combining well-trusted traditional skills with innovative advanced technology could be a solution. Undoubtedly, technological advances have played a significant role in helping the fashion industry become more efficient, competent, and sustainable over time, starting in the 18th and 19th centuries to the 20th century. Taking into account well trusted traditional skills, knowledge, and creativity have been sidestepped due to technological advances. It appears that more emphasis is placed on aesthetics and trends rather than traditional knowledge and skills, which are critical aspects of product development. A strong understanding of product development is what ensures that creative ideas translate into functional, well fitting, and sustainable garments. Here is a brief look at the timeline of technical advances. The first industrial revolution involved a massive move from a rural agricultural community to cities to work in factories. The second industrial revolution was driven by electricity and played a significant role in the advent of mass production. The third industrial revolution, sometimes called the digital revolution, commenced in the mid 20th century together with information technology, IT. Although the fourth industrial revolution, 4.0, stemmed from the third, it was considered a new era due to the volatility and explosive development of technology. The term IoT was coined to describe a worldwide network of sensors and actuators comprising interconnected physical objects capable of generating and sharing information. Increasing computer power and data analytics are steering industry towards greater productivity, improved efficiency, enhanced sustainability, integrating AI, machine learning, virtual reality, and the Internet of Things for which help the industry reduce operating cost, achieve higher efficiency, and become more sustainable. The explosion of novel digital technology covers a range of applications with more being developed. One thing is clear: fashion and technology have one thing in common: both are constantly changing. The application of each novel technology is described in detail in Unit 12, Pattern Engineering, Past, Present, and into the Future, pages 69 to 86. Thank you for joining me on my journey. I trust that you have found it rewarding, interesting, and of benefit to you in your journey.